Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing this full face of makeup of products from Ulta Beauty. This video is sponsored by Ulta Beauty and we're going to be talking about their 21 Days of Beauty event that is happening right now. So if you didn't know, 21 Days of Beauty is a 3-week long event that features one-day only beauty steals, which are 50% off must-have products. The event started on August 30th and it's going until September 19th. So like I said, every day there are new beauty steals, so I'd recommend checking out all the steals in advance and making a list and shopping on those days that you want so you don't miss out on the steals. There are so many ways to shop at Ulta Beauty so you don't miss out on the steals. You can shop online, you can pick up in store, you can shop on their app, you can do online order pickup in store, curbside pickup, or just regular shopping in store. So many ways. Every single thing on my face right now is a beauty steal, so let's get started with this makeup look. I'm going to start off with the eyes today since I'm doing a full face of makeup. I already have my eyebrows done and I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3.5. This was a beauty steal on August 30th and this is my go-to brow pencil. This has been my favorite brow pencil for probably 3 or 4 years now. It is just amazing. And then I already primed my eyes with the Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the KKW Mrs West eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. It's just super pretty kind of bridal shades. So on September 2nd, the KKW eyeshadow palettes will be 50% off. It's such a good deal, so I'm excited to try this. I'm going to start with a fluffy brush in this kind of rosy pink color, and I'm going to place that in kind of my outer crease and slowly work inwards. Okay, so I just gotta have a really soft wash of pink in my outer crease, kind of out here. Now I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush in this deep brown shade, and I'm gonna start by lightly packing that on the outer part of my lid, and then just blending it out. And then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of that first pinky shade and kind of use that to blend out the dark brown. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush in the deepest shade in the palette, and I'm gonna use that to deepen up my outer corner even more, but I'm just being a little more precise with this smaller brush. Then I'm just going to go back to my smaller blending brush and use that to help blend. And for my lid, I'm going to take this shimmer on a flat brush and I'm going to place that on the inner part of my lid. For my eyeliner, I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0. These will be a beauty steal on September 11th. These pencils are one of my favorite eyeliner pencils. They have so many fun colors. I love them all. They are creamy, they go on really easily, and they stay on for a really long time. After I applied that eyeliner, I'm going to go back to that darkest shade in the palette on a little smudge brush. And I'm just going to very lightly smudge out that eyeliner just a little bit. I'm gonna stop with the eyes for now. Let's move on to some face makeup. I'm excited for the face makeup because I have a few products that I haven't tried before, so this will be fun. First, I'm gonna start with primer. I have the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. This one will be a beauty steal on September 13th, and I love this primer. I haven't used it in so long, but just like having it on my face again makes me feel so happy. It's so hydrating, so if you have dry skin, you would love this one. I believe the Hangover setting spray is also a steal on the same day, so if you want to check that out, try that one too. I do really like that as well. Oh my gosh, this feels so good on my skin. And I love the coconut smell. Definitely one of my favorite primers. For foundation, I have something I haven't tried before, and this is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. This is gonna be a beauty steal on September 19th. I'm really excited to try this because I swatched it and the coverage looked really, really good. I'm gonna kind of dot this on and then I'll blend it out. I got the shade Light, so I think this will work pretty good. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I've tried the It Cosmetics CC cream before, but never this foundation, so I think it's really cool that this is gonna be a beauty steal for half off. This color looks perfect. First impressions, I'm loving how this is looking on my skin. My skin looks like so glowy and dewy with that. Wow, I'm really impressed. And for concealer, one of my current favorite concealers is gonna be a beauty steal, and that is the Benefit boi-ing Cakeless Concealer. This is gonna be a steal on September 15th, and it is just a beautiful concealer. Nice full coverage, and it's not like super heavy or cakey, hence the name Cakeless. And I always like to use my concealer to kind of help clean up my eyeshadow lines. You'll see I'm kind of pressing it really close to my lower lash line to give me a nice little angle there with my eyeshadow. Now for highlighter and a little bit of a glow, I'm gonna try out the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. This is gonna be my first time trying the product, but it says you can use it to kind of brighten your under eyes as you would just a concealer, and it's gonna give you a nice glow. Or you can just use it where you would normally place highlighter, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And this is gonna be a steal on September 5th. And I have the shade Light. So I'm just gonna dot a little bit here. A little here. And let's blend it out. Ooh, can you see that? Okay, that's actually really pretty. I'm definitely into more of the like a low-key highlighter look. I don't really want a super bright highlight, so this looks really good. There is a tiny little sponge on the end of this that you could use to help blend it out, but I just used my regular sponge. For a blush and bronzer, I'm very excited about these steals because I love this product. On September 10th, the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush and Bronzer Duos are gonna be 50% off. So I'm gonna start with the Sunkissed Bronze Bronzer. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Now I'm gonna go in with the matte blush in the shade Pink Dahlia. Then I'm just gonna tap that out with my sponge. I am happy with how my skin is looking. I love that blush and bronzer. Make sure you check those out. Let's move on to the eyes, finish them up, and then we'll do lips and we'll be done. I'm gonna go back to my KKW palette and I'm gonna take that dark brown shade on a pencil brush. And I'm just gonna run that along my entire lower lash line. Now I'm gonna pick up this shimmer on a small brush and I'm gonna place that in my inner corner. Also gonna add a little bit of that shade under my brow. For my mascara, I'm very excited about this beauty steal. We have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and this is gonna be a beauty steal on September 17th. Honestly, I haven't used this mascara in years, but I remember how much I loved it. I just love kind of how simple this wand is. It's nothing crazy, but it's really, really good at lengthening your lashes. See, doesn't that look so good? They're just like nice and separated, but volumized, but lengthening. Ugh, I love this mascara. I feel like this looks really good with just mascara, but you guys know I love my fake eyelashes, so I have to put some on. So for my lashes, I'm gonna pop on the Lilly Lashes Faux Mink Lashes in mykonos. So on September 8th, a couple brands such as Velour Lashes, Lilly Lashes, House of Lashes will have their Faux Mink lashes as a beauty steal. I'm gonna go pop these on. I will be right back. Okay, lashes are on. How pretty do these look? I'm really happy about these because I didn't know that Lilly Lashes has a faux mink style because I love the mykonos one. So I think it's great that Ulta Beauty does carry these faux mink lashes. Now I just have 2 lip products to finish off this look. I think a lot of you guys are gonna like this deal. So on September 9th, the MAC lip pencils in Whirl and Soar are gonna be a beauty steal. What? So I'm gonna use the shade Whirl. Is it weird that I love like the wood smell of these lip pencils? Oh, it's so good. And then for my lipstick, I'm actually gonna use today's beauty steal, which are these Buxom Full Force Plumping lipsticks, and I have the shade Boss. So that's what it looks like. Okay, this matches the lip liner perfectly, first of all. That is super creamy. I love a good creamy lipstick. And it's plumping. Yes, thank you. All right, and this is my full face of makeup using products that are gonna be a beauty steal for Ulta Beauty's 21 Days of Beauty event. I love how this look turned out. It almost kind of looks like a bridal makeup look, but maybe that's because of the KKW Mrs West palette, just because it has those kind of bridally cool tone shades. I think that the 21 Days of Beauty event is a great way to try out some new products that maybe you've been wanting to try, but now you get to have them at such an affordable price at half off. Or it's a great time to stock up on some products you might already know and love. Like for me, the Benefit Precise in My Brow Pencil, the Benefit Cakeless Concealer, the Urban Decay eyeliners. Like I know I love those, so I definitely need more of them. I want to know what beauty steals you guys are excited about, so please let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.